What's going on, you guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about yard signs. Do they work? All right, guys, before we get started, make sure you come over and click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, even if it's just to say what's up or that my beard's looking kind of mannerific. Get a little gray right here, something like that. But yeah, other than that, my beard looks, I like it. You know what I'm saying? To get my winter coat going. But whatever you do today, make sure you come over and click subscribe, man. It helps the channel out so much. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers in a year. That's awesome, man. I can't wait to see how this thing grows. So a while back, I bought some yard signs. I bought 5. And honestly, they were kind of just plain and the colors were stupid. So I actually ordered 5 more that were really nice. And I actually ordered them from Team Wash Life, and they are top-notch looking yard signs. They really are. So I bought these 5 and I stuck them out in awesome locations. And out of those 5 signs, I'm down to 4 signs because we live down here in the country and we have the county road crews and the Department of Transportation. They come and they cut the edges of the main roads. And so they chopped up one of my signs, nice and proper. It's really awesome. Out of the other 4 signs that I've had in the last 4 months, I have received 4 phone calls. And out of those 4 phone calls, only 3 of them were for house washing or roof washing. The other one was for some guy who apparently can't read, and he wanted me to go install a shower at his house. I don't know nothing about that. So for me, so far, I have gotten 0 jobs from my yard signs. But I'm going to buy more yard signs. And you may be saying, why, if they're not working? Well, I know that they do work because I've talked to other people in the industry and they swear by them. So I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to keep putting the signs out. I'm going to keep putting the signs out. And I'm going to keep putting the signs out. And the reason why is for brand recognition. When you see my sign, you also see my name. Even if you don't pick up the phone and call me, you're still going to see the name of my company. So if someone's having a conversation at a party or something one evening, or at a get-together or whatever, and someone brings up pressure washing, house washing, they're going to ding, remember my name and my phone number. So far, they're not working for me at all. But I'm going to buy more, and I'm going to keep putting them out for brand recognition, and I know that eventually I'm going to start getting calls off of them. Also, keep in mind that I put them out towards the end of the season. Of course, we're down here in South Georgia, and it's November. It's 45 degrees today, and we're still working. So I'm going to keep going with my yard signs. So I'd like to hear from you guys. Do yard signs work for you if you live in a rural, if you live in the country? Do they work for you? I know they work for you guys in the cities and stuff like that, but out here in the country, do they work for you guys? Let's let everybody know. Let's talk about it. I appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you come over and click subscribe, man, and give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment, and that's it. Let me know if I can help you anyway. God bless.